Good morning, my geometry kids. All right, ladies and gentlemen, today's Wednesday, December 2nd. Right now, I'm going to post this video right here underneath this. Please complete the review I excels. You only need a 50. Very important. If you don't watch this video, you're missing out. But if you do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 I excels, that's an automatic 100. Just doing them, just trying them. Automatic 100 for a test grade. I need a second test. We have not had a second test. So that's going to be automatic just for doing it. Make sure you don't know your username, bulb, password, math. I have 3 kids that have not done anything. Those 3 kids will repeat geometry, will stay in this building, and probably have me again. So guys, this is the year to at least try and do something. If you at least try, I can possibly work with you to help you pass geometry and you don't have to worry about it for the rest of your career. All right? All right, let's do this. So I'm going to do 3. Again, guys, these are just review stuff. Okay? Let's go to learning. Geometry. So the first one is L1. So L1's right here. Classify the transformation. So this is not too bad. Which image shows reflection? Obviously, if we're reflecting it, it could be either this way or this way. But technically, we should be able to say, okay, reflection is just boom, like this. So I'm going to say it's B. Not too bad because this got shifted to the right. This one got shifted to the right and flipped the other way. So it's a little too much. B looks like the right one. Boom. Remember, you only need a 50. Rotation, so we're taking this and going like this at least, or the other way, around the middle of it. This one got shifted, doesn't look too good. This one got flipped, that one doesn't look good. This one does look rotated. Boom, C. I think a lot of us are very smart in the way that we can definitely get a 50, or at least give me something to get an easy 100. Which one shows translation. That one's where it's just moving around. So it's the same image just moving around. So I need to make sure this triangle stays the exact same way. That's not the same. That's not the same. Boom. B. This is not complicated at all. I heard that geometry kids are my GT kids, so we should be able to do this like nothing. Rotation, we're going to keep this around this point and just move it around. That does not stay the same. That one moved. This one got reflected, so B is the only option. You need to think geometry, geometry, geometry. Let's move on because I don't want to waste too much time. What's the next one? D3. D1 and D3. D1. The triangular prism, which lines are intersecting? So which lines are crossing each other? Which ones are touching each other? Let's look right here. Line IJ and KM. IJ and KM are not even close to each other, so it's not that one. HK, let me use so it's not this one. HK, boom, and IJ. HK and IJ are not even close to each other, so that's not it. JM and LM. JM, LM, those are crossing each other. Kaboom. They're intersecting. We should be alright. In a rectangular prism, which lines are skew? I honestly am in a bubble. I don't know what skew is, but guess what? We have an internet. Let's go in here. Skew lines definition. We can definitely look. Boom. Here's a perfect picture. So they're in the same And they're in opposite directions, but obviously they're not intersecting. Great picture for me to make sure I can do that. So let's do it real quick. GKHL. These look like parallel lines. That's not it. GJLM. Again, those look like parallel lines. Not good enough for me. KLMN. Another set of parallel lines. Doesn't look good to me. So I'm pretty sure the last one is going to be Skew. KNGH. Boom. So these guys are in completely opposite directions. They're not parallel, and they're obviously away from each other. Boom. Boom. Easy peasy. Parallel. Remember, you just give me something and I can give you an easy 100, I promise. Next one. D3. Name of the angle pairs. Are you joking? Which one are vertical angles? So just make sure you know what vertical angles are. You're not sure? Internet. Vertical angles are these guys, these guys, these guys. Any angle pairs that are basically across from each other. Make sure you do that real quick. Angle ONP, ONP, JKN, JKN. This angle and this angle are not vertical angles. ONP, JKI, JKI. That's a possibility, so I want to put a question mark. Why? Because we should also know that these are corresponding angles right here, so it's a possibility. Next one. ONP with M and K, M and K. That looks like a good one right there because that's directly across from each other, which is the definition of a vertical angle. And the last one, ONP with ONK, ONK. These are not, those are supplementary angles, I would believe, which is not what we're looking for. So, should be this one. Boom. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Supplementary angles. I just talked about that. Two angles that are right next to each other. If you're not sure, search it up. Search it up. Don't waste your time. Search it up. After D1 and D3, it's C1. What happened? Oh, it's right here. Sorry. C1. Let's check it out. Angle vocabulary. So this is all just definition stuff. What is the vertex? Boom! Right here, we don't know what a vertex is. Search it up. But the vertex is W in this case. Put a W. Boom. That's all we are. What is a vertex? Holy shoots, it's another W, which is the break where the angle is. Boom. This is all vertex stuff. Get out of here. I don't want to do this no more. Easy peasy. B1 and B2. Line segments and rays. Let's see what the deal is. What is this? This is a ray. How do I know? Search it up, but a ray is a point with an arrow. A line is two arrows. Line segment is 2 points with a line in between. So it's just common vocabulary. What is this? Two lines? A line with two arrows. Boom. Segment, just told you. And all I need is a 15. I already got there. B2. Okay. Is the following statement true or false? A plane and a line can intersect in a point. So I have a plane and I have a line. Seems like it's plausible. Looks true. Boom. A plane is two-dimensional, so a plane is just basically like a piece of paper. Piece of paper. Is that two-dimensional? I think so. Yeah. A line is one-dimensional. That's true. Pair of lines never intersect. That's true. Come on, guys. This is an easy 100. Jesus Christ. Where am I? I'm already at a 60. Get out of here. Come on. Need us to step up the game. All you need is a nice little 50. And I already did all the excels for you. That's 6. Make sure you do them and you get an easy 100 for a test. I hope you all have a wonderful day. I'll talk to y'all later.